Okay, I'm just going to give you a quick... Actually, that light is a bit bright, isn't it? I'm going to give you a quick demo on the threading on this, because... So it starts there. It goes to the back one of these hooks. Okay, from there. And then it goes round there. I'll tell you what, I'm just going to wind this on a bit here, because hold it still for a minute. Okay, so it goes round the back of this, excuse me, round the back of this, which is, you know, pretty normal, but, and over that L-shaped bar, then you catch the spring, and this is the bit that took a while to sort out. This funny looking spring, which is bent round and round. You go between, you're coming round the front, you go round that side of it, yeah, and it kind of just goes on. That's the tricky part. Then obviously you go onto that, through that, and through the needle, kind of that way. On this sort of cute looking NOVUM. Alright, cheers.